In primetime news this evening, millions in DRMA breach fines. St. Thomas residents questioning hefty charges for COVID protocol breach. A fourth COVID wave, medical practitioner warns of possible spike in cases by Christmas. And later, residents blame cops for triple murder in St. Mary. Cops say it's not so.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your views on some of the fines being imposed on people who breach the Disaster Risk Management Act? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, or tweet at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.